Hello everyone, we are Team Footlands. I am Sudhanva.
I'm Tanish.
And I am Varchasvi. We are studying in class 6 at Excel Public School, Kurgalli, Mysore.
The theme we have chosen is health.
And our problem statement is to innovate solutions for patients suffering from the most common diseases in India.
Senior citizens who are 60 and above make up approximately 5.7% of the population who live alone without the help of family or friends. In India, people who are 65 and older complain of aches and stiff or painful feet. These are the common problems, especially among those with diabetes and heart-related issues.
We conducted a survey by interviewing a few elderly people to understand the difficulty that they face with taking care of their feet. Based on survey we conducted, we found out that nearly 40% of them stay alone and about 60% of them stay with their families or have caretakers.
The results of the survey are depicted in the form of the pie chart.
After conducting the survey and understanding their difficulty related to taking care of their feet, we came up with a model, Footlands. This model will help the elderly to examine their feet regularly within the comfort of their home.
The lightweight and easy to use Footlands is a box with a mirror and a phone holder. The container is a 16-inch cuboid. It has a front panel and an upper transparent panel. Mirror sheets that can be removed are installed in the left and right panels. The back panel is shut all the way. A removable 14-inch mirror that is positioned at a 45-degree angle sits in the middle of the box. A smartphone or a tab holder is attached to the box. A smartphone or a tab can be fixed to the holder that can be moved easily. With the help of the holder, the camera may be moved to capture the desired image.
Along with the foot box, we also have an app which is easy to operate by the elderly. The app has sign-up page which collects information about the elderly patient health. A family member or caretaker can connect to the account once sign-up is complete. The elderly person can sit down and place their feet up on the foot box. On the angled mirror within the box, the reflection of the feet can be seen. The camera in the smartphone or the tablet where the app is installed can be used to photograph this reflection of the feet. When the app icon is touched, the app opens and reveals the screen where the photographs need to be uploaded.
An elderly person can follow these steps to take picture of their feet with ease.
I have worked on coding and developing the app, also creating questions for interview.
I have researched the existing articles on the elderly people facing problems in their feet, and also I helped the video script.
I have worked on the model and have used Google SketchUp for the model designing 3D print the miniature of the model.